Uh, Perfect Women has organized a very great initiative where they're going to help kids across the country and especially orphan kids who are willing to make a mark in this industry. And so many times they don't know, they're not aware of how things, how to go about things in acting or, things like these. So I think they're going to get portfolios clicked and help them out about how they can get into the field and what kind of course they should do and how to meet people. And I think they're going to give them a little bit of grooming on this particular subject. So that's great. That's really great, and I'm here with them to support them.
But is it for a definite schedule of time or it will be permanently? I mean to say.
Yeah.
It will be for a definite period of time. This is for the first time. The initiative is for the first
Yeah.
time. In the later years, what will be the?
I'm sure they'll have a plan, and as of now it's started, and I'm sure they'll have a plan to how they're going to take it forward. It should last for some time
But
till they have a.
Although it's good to children working in the glamour industry, they are earning money, fame. But still, there are some news that they work long hours. They are being
Yeah, honestly, I'm not very pro kids working. Rather, I mean, in any field. But yeah, some kids have that inclination towards acting and fine arts and dramatics. And I think doing a little bit here and there should not make a much of a difference as long as they're not compromising on their studies. So it's for the parents to look out ki how well they are balancing their acting and studies. So obviously the studies should remain the main focus, but if sometimes they do an ad or a film just to gain a little bit of experience and to see how it works, I think that's fine.
You are a part of the entertainment industry. You are an actress as such. Do you think acting as a profession is secured in nowadays? I'm comparing and as compared to other careers, be it media, advertising, or another.
Secure in what terms?
In payment, in your.
I don't
stability.
think it's secure in any way. Secure in the sense, see, I think for an actor, the most unfortunate part is the uncertainty of it.
Okay.
Sometimes you have work, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you have work like when you're shooting 2 shifts, 3 shifts a day, and sometimes you're not working for like months altogether. So I think everybody has their own phases and their own journey. So I don't want to, categorize it as, what do you call?
Uncertainty.
No, like what you said.
Regular career kind of thing. I mean.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing called secure in this.
Stability kind of,
Yeah. It's to each his own. There is nothing like that.
My last question to you, as I have that you are associated with Gabbar, means how is your association and how did you feel working with the Gabbar team as such?
I have a small role in Gabbar, but I play a cop, so it was exciting. And Sunil Grover, who plays Guthi, me and him have a little bit of thing together in the film, so it was fun working with him.
And did you interact with Akshay during the shoot?
I don't have much scenes with Akshay, so no. But I've worked with him in Rowdy Rathore, where I had a scene with him.
Okay.
So that was all.
And besides, is there another project, television project or film project?
Television, no. I'm not so. I'm not too sure if I want to do another daily soap on television, but I'm looking more on the films end. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm also not very much convinced about children working long hours. I mean, if they are working for 5 to 6 hours,
Yeah, that's fine.
You cannot make children work for 12 hours, 15 hours.
Yeah.
My first question to you, I want to ask about the initiative and how you are associated with the initiative as such.
I'm very happy to know that this kind of a thing is being done for underprivileged children, so that they can come into the entertainment sector and they can understand how one become an actor and how one can grow in an industry which is full of people and where people just take you here and there. So that's a very good initiative taken by them, and I wish all of them very best of luck, and it's a wonderful cause.
But children working in the industry, they are making money, they are attaining fame, part of the glamour industry, but still there are many opinions as such that they have to work long hours, which I don't think is suitable for children. According to you, what comment you have to make on it?
Of course, yes, that's completely, it depends upon the parents and the children. I still remember when I used to do a show called Shakalaka Boom Boom. In that show, Hansika Motwani used to be there. Now she's a big actress. And that time she used to be a child actress, and her mom used to come and she used to come. So they used to do homework on the set, and they used to perform also. So I believe it's a complete how you balance the time. So time management is more important in this case.
you are part of the entertainment industry, you are an actor as such. What do you think? I mean, being an actor is a very feasible, very stable option as compared to other careers, be it at media, advertising, or any other professions.
Of course not. Acting is one of the most insecure line, and I believe insecurity gives you a different kind of a high. If suppose I would have been working in a company, so I would have, surely loved to get the salary on first of every month. But here you really don't know when you want to get a salary. So that keeps you motivated. That keeps you on your toes, and I think that's the reason I'm here.
And when you started out acting as such, when you started your career, the moment as compared of today's time, how organized it is when you compare with the time you started out?
Now the casting directors, they are in huge numbers. 14-15 years back, there were just a handful of casting directors, and I have met a lot of fraud people, and they used to take registration charges, and they never used to call. And if you tell them ki, sir, we have paid you, when are you going to call us? Yes, your pictures are being circulated to all the big producers and directors. So that is one thing which I really don't like, and people do that, but eventually you learn, and you learn from your mistakes, and then you learn to meet the genuine people, and I believe this happens in all the industry, so that's okay, it's part of the game.
Do you want to disclose in which projects you are working right now, or in the future you have signed?
I just completed this show called Gutargu, which was India's first silent comedy show, and it was being produced by Fireworks. So now 3-4 more projects are in the pipeline, so just wait and watch.
Thanks, sir. Thanks.
तो बाल मत काटना, ठीक है? और अच्छे से पढ़ाई करना, फर्स्ट आना क्लास में, ठीक है? और खूब खेलना, और स्पोर्ट्स भी खूब सारा करना, ठीक है? क्या पसंद है?
No, मेरे को बस वीडियो चाहिए था. She's playing with him. Playing with her.
क्या?
विजुअल्स है क्या?
हाँ, visuals को अच्छी लगी.
No bite.
ANI के लिए कर रहे
हाँ ले लो, बाइट ले लो.
हैं?
हाँ ले लो.
अरे वापस बाइट?
बच्चों के if you want.
ANI.
हाँ चलो ठीक है. She is leaving. मेरे को बस.
You are living, na?
हाँ.
Bye.
If you want,
Let's
you can.
open है कोई क्या?
2 minutes. ANI.
क्या करना?
ANI एजेंसी है ना? एशियन न्यूज एजेंसी.
हाँ.
उसके लिए बाइट चाहिए था.
I know. So, what do you want to do? You want to play a game with me? My name is Shruti. Shake hands. So, what do you want to play with me? What do you want to play with me? अच्छा, कोई गेम बताओ? कोई गेम बताओ? अच्छा, when I say stop, you have to say something with that letter. Okay? So you say ABCD.
A, B, C, D, E.
Stop. Now say something with E. Some animal. E for?
Elephant.
क्या बात है? Yeah, give 5. Wow. Okay, now I'll say ABCD. You say stop. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N monkey. Okay, that's a mommy. Yeah. Hi. Hello. What does kavish mean?
तू मत लेना. ये अरे भैया क्या करते हो भैया, धीरे धीरे घुस जाओगे अंदर.
One more.
कौन बोलते हैं
आपने 2 मिनट रुक जाइए सर. ऊपर करिए इसको थोड़ा सा.
रोलेन इंग्लिश ना?
जूस पूरा वो मीडिया वाले गिरा दिया, पूरा गंदा सब हो गया.
लोगों को पहले साफ कर दो यार, ऐसे कैसे?
हाँ, बहुत गंदा हो गया.
अरे टाइम लगेगा.
ठीक है, we will do. I mean, rolling?
Yeah.
Rolling.
क्वेश्चन तो है.
रुकना पहले उनको फोटो.
हाँ, पुष्टिंग उठाया गया.
हाँ.
Yes.
my first question to you: what is the initiative all about, and how you are? What is the initiative all about, and how you are associated with the initiative?
With this?
Yeah.
Acha, I think so. It is a very beautiful this thing. There are so many peoples, a lot of people who don't have money, who think that all right, my Thai children want to go in the film industry. They don't have money. They don't have so much of bucks, so they can provide a nice photo shoot for these guys, for these kids. So I think the people, the guys, whomsoever is involved in this initiative, it is a very beautiful thing, and it is something which touched my heart, and that's why I'm here. If being a celebrity, I can do something for this world. Being a celebrity, wherever, if my requirement is there, and if they think that my presence can do something for these guys, for these kids, I'm going to be always there.
Talking about your instinct with Bigg Boss as such,
Yeah.
did you enjoy the instinct, and did you feel that all the contestants were, capable of being part of the show, and
Yeah, now Bigg Boss thing is, for me, it's over. This season also, when they started this challenger and champion thing, so Endemol contacted me for this re-entry, for the wildcard entries. But somehow I feel, that Bigg Boss is, for me, it's over. Now I have entered to the Bollywood, and the credit goes to Salman Khan, because he gave me such a wonderful break in Jai Ho. That is, I think, for an actor, it's an outstanding thing that in your first film, you're working with a god. He's a god of this Indian film industry, and you're working with a god, and you got outstanding response from everyone. Wherever I'm going, people are recognizing, oh, Jai Ho, brother, what you did, yaar, bola apne bhai ko. So all that thing, after doing such a big film, and I would like to share this thing. Not exactly for the full details, but definitely this thing is for my fans and for my well-wishers, for my dear ones who are waiting. Right after Jai Ho, Santosh Shukla is where? Which film is coming? What are you doing? So, brother, 2015, I'm going to give a shock to my fans, and I'm very excited for my new project. It is an outstanding film, outstanding producer, outstanding director, and my role, by the grace of God, महादेव के आशीर्वाद से बड़ा powerful role है, और इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा, क्योंकि I'm restricted and I'm bound and not supposed to talk to media about this film. But inshallah, बहुत जल्दी जैसे ही things will get on the flow, you will get to know कि what I'm doing. So because what I'm trying to say, कि Bigg Boss, I was doing television, I was doing Chandrakanta, a lot of shows in the main lead. Then I entered to the Bigg Boss. Yeah. Bigg Boss was the reality show. It is a difficult show because you enter in the house, and then whatever the image is going to come outside, it is very difficult. I think next to impossible. You cannot break that image. If people think that Santosh Shukla was a flirt, people think that Santosh Shukla को प्यार ऐसे होता है जैसे लोगों को सर्दी जुकाम होता है, तो that's true, brother. That's true. आज तक वो इमेज तोड़ नहीं पाया मैं. कोई लड़की नहीं पट रही है. वो लगता है आशिका और करिश्मा को जो प्यार हो गया था वो बहुत सच्चा था, और एक हफ्ते में प्यार हो रहा है अंदर, और 5 हफ्ते रहे तो आपको 5 लड़कियों से प्यार हो रहा है, तो ये तो बड़ी अजीब सी चीज है. तो इसलिए आई थिंक कि बिग बॉस यू डिड, दैट्स ओके, नॉट अगेन. सो नाउ अब ये आगे बढ़ते चले जाना है, इसमें फिल्में करनी अच्छी. आई एम एन एक्टर, और मेरे अंदर एक भूख है. आई वांट टू डू अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रोल्स. सो आई जस्ट थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द फ्यूचर. गॉड ब्लेस यू ब्रदर.